Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. The Chinese word we are learning today is hao, or it can also be pronounced as how. You may have already learned that how means good in English. But do you know that there are other ways to use this word? In this video, you will learn 10 different ways of using how. How to write the Chinese character how. The Chinese character how has two basic components. The base component or radical is 女, which means woman. The other component is 子, which means son or child in English. Writing this Chinese word how is rather easy as it has only 6 strokes altogether. As usual, before we talk about the 10 different ways of using how, let us look at how to use this word as a noun, adjective, adverb, and verb. Examples of how as a noun: 好处, 好处, advantage, benefit. 好坏, 好坏, good and bad. Examples of how as an adjective: 好奇, 好奇, inquisitive, curious. 好客, 好客, hospitable. Examples of how as a verb: 喜好, 喜好, like, be fond of. 叫好, 叫好, to applaud. Examples of how as an adverb: 好歹, 好歹, in any case. 好在, 好在, luckily. Various meaning of how. Number 1. How has the meaning of easy. 汉字一很好写，汉字一很好写。The Chinese character 1 is easy to write. 你的名字很好记，你的名字很好记。Your name is easy to remember. Number 2. How indicates a degree with exclamatory tone. 你的戒指好漂亮，你的戒指好漂亮。Wow, your ring is beautiful. 好大的房子，好大的房子。What a big house. Number 3. How has the meaning of like. 他好跳舞，不好唱歌。他好跳舞，不好唱歌。He likes dancing. He doesn't like singing. 他既好运动，也好看书。他既好运动，也好看书。他既好运动，也好看书。He not only likes doing sports, he also likes reading. Number 4. How has the meaning of many or long time. 好久不见，你都在干嘛？ 好久不见，你都在干嘛？ Long time no see. What have you been up to? 别烦我，我还有好多事情得做。别烦我，我还有好多事情得做。Don't disturb me. I still have lots to do. Number 5. How has the meaning of good. 好看的东西不一定是好的。好看的东西不一定是好的。Good-looking things are not necessarily good. 这家店的小笼包好吃。这家店的小笼包好吃。The dumplings in this store are good to eat, delicious. Number 6. How has the meaning of so that, in order to. 快去睡觉，明天好早点起床。快去睡觉，明天好早点起床。Go to bed quickly so that you can get up early tomorrow. 你要的东西，请提早告诉我，好让我准备。你要的东西，请提早告诉我，好让我准备。Please let me know what you want in advance so that I can prepare. Number 7. How has the meaning of finished or complete. 我的功课做好了。我的功课做好了。I have finished doing my homework. 我好饿，饭做好了没有？我好饿，饭做好了没有？ I'm very hungry. Is the food ready? Number 8. How has the meaning of agree or okay. 好，这事就定了。好，这事就定了。Okay, it's settled. 好，我明天去找你。好，我明天去找你。Okay, I will look for you tomorrow. Number 9. How has the meaning of may or ought to. 我好进来吗？我好进来吗？ May I come in? 时间不早了，你好回家吧。时间不早了，你好回家吧。It's getting late. You ought to go home. Number 10. How has the meaning of healthy or get well. 你看起来很好。你看起来很好。You look well. 休息几天后，我觉得好多了。休息几天后，我觉得好多了。I feel better after a few days rest. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。